our ornithologist, Dave Pearson. What is the name of this bird that we're going to ask them about now?
This is called a chestnut-eared ericery, Pteroglossus castanotis.
In Quechua and Shuar thinking, many of the birds are believed to be omens of death. They feel the sadness that's going to happen when somebody's going to die, and feel a kind of compassion. Their very sad cry and their movements communicate to the people that someone in the house is going to die. This is one of many that do that, and I'd like to ask Pedro Andy and Elodia Dawa to reflect on this and tell us about it. Kay napo yaku parti ima shuti chi quiling.
Tara quiling siya.
Tara quiling.
Tara quiling.
Imas nara uyaching pai.
Tar uyaching. Chima na tara quiling.
Yeah. Kango na bobo na sa parti.
Kanching kakaquiling. Kay taga kakaquiling siya.
Yeah. Imas nara uyaring.
Nakanchiray ko kuna chi tapia siya pai ka piria waka kang ya.
Waka.
Aron na wanyo na tapia siya sa waka niya na kay tapia isikyo awan tapia quiling kakaquiling.
Yaki na ita.
Da ruya ibi pai ga ruya ra mai tari siya ka sa piria punda ya ga ruya ra mata ga.
Kutiri kucing imas nara pure. De
gana ruya ra mai tari siya mikas na salta siya ga piria digang ya. Kakaquiling tapiao minigan siya.
tapiao.
Sinya pai chasna kan masih pak waka gang ya chasnanya chisyak kayan jis chisyak kayanya chisyak to yarung manang salala tak nya chichung eskale runa timpu wanyung kiking wasi wanyu nai biga chiga kana wasi pungui shamusha mi uyari setyanga kana ishamusha chishuko na wanyu nai bichana kana guna muir kana orang ni kuna muir gan ashkaruna shamusha bilari nai biya pai ga chuarai ku cakaran bitadi syakanta mecha sawakang mai kasna ali chasna ramai ga shukta dang piria kainang ga pai tadi kupiga
Ari pai chupisco cierto roku gona nino waka mana waka pisco chang yanga ga mana waka chung le puring mana waka ni pai gona che nya runa na sina nya dasle wanyo dina to kuper pai ga nya mana sambaya sini wasi pungguman mana curing maci wasi huan nak piring si wasi punggul liar puring aning sini to wasi punggul liar wakas cisak to wakada pinja sini wakas mana sambaya ngamen ya kunga wanci sya adikuk piga kunga wakada sala muku yang aning kai bi runa na shamu garau periku sini mai be catching garan runa gonar ta periku si paisya na puring ni syuk ta salta syuk masal syuk pali kamari sila puri salta sinaras puri siya alpayamo mani manya di mangga hangsa le pisik mituk muni mkai si naher wanyo naruna mai ka wan na share mana ya chajing ning kung gai manda wanyo garau pi mkai sinanya kantang ning macha ko mekani tukung garau nya tas wanyo garau pai nya sil imatun wanyo garau pai ya ko yar mangga di usina ime spainya wanyo garau tas pai nya ya changnya tas cirai pai nya palya kiring pai runa wanyo garau palya kiring ni pai
ya kiring
so waka ngani na gona wasa siamo sa pai kuin talyar waka ngara na uta
to kang chito yakpi kambas la kiring
ari nya dia chan to kun sininya wasi popular sina kanta dia pe nya nyu kasi wasi mi wanyu ngara no nya wanyu ngara che o bien karya sa wari mai so na spiwas ne wasi hukuman ni ari
su experiencia charingicha na ko kan cuenta
nyuka la kiring man chito ese runa wanyu ngara ni siya nyuka tias kai bichana ya pakanta dia la chiga pisho wanyu ngara ni nyuka la kirisha tierra ni nyuka nche kari pero punta le tierra show nyuka mama guna wa casi familia más de Osvaldo y Llanes niska chiri que pai wanyura waira shinana wanyura.
So we've just been listening to Elodia Dawa and Pedro Andy talking about the chestnut-eared ericery. Its behavior, according to them, is that usually doesn't sing a lot, but sometimes it comes near the house and begins to cry. But when it does this, it feels the sorrow of what's going to happen. And if it's singing a little bit farther away, or crying a little bit farther away, then it may be a neighbor. But if it comes right up to your house, then it will be someone in the house, and it feels the sorrow of the loss of the person. So it is really crying, not just making a noise that sounds like crying, but in Luna thinking it's really crying. And so when people hear that, they also feel sorrow. And oftentimes, if many people are going to come to the wake, it's jumping around, and each different place where it sits and cries seems to be a different place in the wake, that it's feeling the sorrow of many people. Don Pedro says it cries until it's hoarse, and its throat gets sort of thick from so much crying. Dave, on that particular Araceli, that kind of calling behavior in which they're normally more silent, and then for a period of days or all day long they begin to make this sound. It's also a different sound.
The tar-tar call is probably a group communication to keep them together. They often are in groups of 4, 5, 6, or 7 together. That calls are a common call to keep them together, a flock contact call. And they will switch to many other calls depending on territory, time of year, breeding, trying to attract a female. And I suspect the bouncing around especially is probably the males that are going into a different call note that's very different from the other calls they use to attract the females. We know that most birds have a series of different types of calls and songs that actually communicate different things.